Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're reviewing what we believe is the best toner cartridge replacement for the HP LaserJet 1020. The GOTOBY 12A toner cartridge, a 4-pack compatible with a wide range of HP LaserJet printers. Let's get right into it. The GOTOBY 12A, also known by its OEM equivalent Q2612A, is designed to work seamlessly with a long list of HP printers. Some of the most common compatible models include the HP LaserJet 1020, 1022, 1012, 1018, as well as multi-function models like the M1005 and the M1319F. If you're using one of these older yet reliable printers, this GOTOBY cartridge aims to extend its life with dependable performance. Each cartridge in this 4-pack is rated for up to 2,000 pages at 5% coverage on standard letter or A4-sized paper. That means you're getting a total estimated yield of 8,000 pages across the pack, which makes it not only cost-effective but also convenient for small offices, schools, or home use where frequent replacements would otherwise interrupt workflow. Now let's talk about performance. The print quality this cartridge produces is crisp, clean, and smudge-free. GOTOBY emphasizes that their toner doesn't leak, clog, or smudge, and that translates into a reliable experience right out of the box. Whether you're printing simple text documents or more detailed forms and reports, the output holds up well against expectations. Especially for a third-party cartridge. What also stands out here is the packaging. You receive 4 individually packed black toner cartridges, sealed to ensure freshness and prevent damage during shipping. And because it's Amazon's choice in its category, it's already passed several informal quality filters, like popularity, ratings, and price competitiveness. Installation is simple. Just unbox the cartridge, remove the protective sealing tape, and slide it into your printer. It clicks right in with no resistance and is immediately recognized by most HP LaserJet models without needing any firmware workarounds. Finally, in terms of support, GOTOBY offers prompt after-sales service. If you accidentally purchase the wrong model or encounter an issue, you can reach out to them through Amazon, and they promise a satisfactory resolution. This adds peace of mind, especially when buying third-party toner products. In summary, the GOTOBY 12A toner cartridge replacement delivers excellent print quality, a high page yield, strong compatibility with HP LaserJet models, and reliable performance at a great value. It's ideal for anyone looking to reduce printing costs without sacrificing consistency. That's all for today's product critique. If you're using the HP LaserJet 1020 or a compatible model and need a reliable toner solution, this 4-pack from GOTOBY might be your best bet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the description for the product link. See you in the next video.